Hey guys, Ryan back here at Skyway, and we are in a yellow Torino Cobra 1970, and we are gonna jump start it here for y'all. This thing is in great condition. Has a nice, beautiful yellow paint.
Alright, here we are in the 70 Torino Cobra. This thing's pretty dang fast. I love seeing that tack on the hood working. I think that's so freaking cool. And I got working gauges from that, what I can see. She's nice and straight, hands off the wheel. Little brake check as well. Yep, stops just where we want her to. So that's some good stuff. It's definitely a pretty car. And you don't really see a whole lot of these. It's pretty rare. She gets up and moves. Oh yeah, all right, so I'm gonna make a U-ey, head back to the shop, and we'll get her up in the air.